In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start day trading Forex in 2024 in just 5 simple steps. Hello and welcome back to Mindfully Trading. My name is Emily and on Mindfully Trading, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a Forex trader. I've been day trading the markets for over 5 years now. I originally started day trading the small cap stock market and now I have transitioned to day trading Forex. Alongside this, I'm also a full-time mother. I have 2 children under the age of 2, so it's certainly a very busy time in my life. And for over a year now, I have been day trading with the prop firm, the 5%ers. If you don't know who they are, I will talk about them a little bit later in this video. But stick around because I'm going to take you through 5 simple steps on how you can day trade the Forex, even if you are a complete beginner with no prior knowledge. All of the software included in this video is linked below. Make sure that you have liked and subscribed to the channel, and let's dive into the content. One of the best things about trading is that you really don't need a lot of equipment or materials to get started, especially when compared to with other businesses. You don't need any stock, you don't need any premises, and you don't really need any specialist equipment. What you do need is access to a computer or a laptop, an internet connection, and a trading broker. There are many different options when it comes to choosing a broker for trading, and some are better than others. I have experienced many different brokers so far in my quest to finding the best broker that can offer me the best package, and at the moment I am currently trading with the broker Vantage Markets, who are ticking all of my boxes. They offer trading access to a variety of markets, they offer crucial support when it is needed, fair commissions and spreads, there are multiple options for depositing and also withdrawing your money, and they also offer a free demo trading account, which is essential for beginners. I have a link below in the description where you can sign up to Vantage and get trading, or even just start off in a demo account if you aren't ready to trade the live markets yet. Once you are signed up with a broker, you are ready to get trading, you may sit back and think to yourself, how do I know when to actually get into a trade? How can I tell if the market is going up or down? Should I buy or should I sell? This is where technical analysis comes in. Investing your time and energy into learning as much as you can about technical analysis and to build your skills in reading price charts is critical for your development as a trader. I have an upcoming manual that has been in the making for some time, Forex Trading 101. This covers everything that you need to know to get started trading Forex. It's actually due to be released over the next few weeks, and you can join the waiting list for early access. Remember, in order to be successful in trading only requires one strategy. One strategy is all you need. Master it and repeat it. An often overlooked aspect of trading is risk management, and this can literally break or make a trader. A trader who has mastered the art of technical analysis yet knows nothing about risk management is not going to make it very far in the markets. Learn about those crucial risk management techniques such as calculating your position size and what lot to take per trade. This is simple to do, but it is super important. There are also other ways that you can manage your risk to protect your capital, including utilizing automatic stop loss orders when you are trading, which basically acts like a safety net below your trade. So if the market turns against you, your position will close without you losing too much. Also remember that at the beginning, trading can be extremely addictive. And another way to mitigate risk on your account is to avoid over trading. The more that you get into the markets, the more risk that you are exposing yourself to. This is where trade the best and leave the rest comes into play. Following on from my previous point, another way to bring all of those good habits for trading together is to incorporate them into a trading plan. A trading plan acts as your roadmap on your journey to trading success. It acts as your guide towards consistently making profits as a trader. If you've never heard of a trading plan or you don't know where to start, I do have a free trading plan template available that you can download from my website. I have got a link below in the description. It's a very good starting point. It gives you an example of what to include in the trading plan and also a template where you can add in your own information for your own trading plan. Ultimately, a trading plan should include key points to guide you when you trade, such as what markets you are trading, what time frame you are using, how much risk you are taking per trade, what your entry and exit requirements are for a trade. Okay, so you have your broker, you have learnt the basics of technical analysis, you have calculated your risk, and you have incorporated all of this information together in your trading plan. Just what is next? Practice, of course. There are 2 ways to practice. Firstly, you can practice in a simulated demo trading account. This is where you can access the live markets, but you are using a fake paper account, trading using paper money, which is a brilliant way to start off if you are a beginner trader because there is no risk for this method of trading. It allows you to practice in a safe environment with no risk of losing any money. But what about when the market is closed? What if you only have weekends available to practice trading and to build your skills, but the markets are closed and your demo account won't work? This is where backtesting comes in. Backtesting allows you to go back in time using historical charting data to effectively practice trading whenever you like to. There are some different platforms available from backtesting. Some are free and some are paid. I use a mixture of both. I like to use TradingView, which is the platform that I use for my technical analysis. It has my watch list, it has my charts, and I also use it to do some backtesting. They have a feature called bar replay, and it basically means that I can go back in time and I can use historical chart data to practice new strategies or just simply practice my trading plan and build that automatic process that I carry out when I trade. I also like to use a platform called FOREX Tester for when I want to do some more in-depth backtesting if I want to practice new strategies. FOREX Tester is a piece of software that is built exclusively for backtesting, and it also has a brilliant feature where you can paper trade as well even when the markets are closed. This type of practice is perfect for beginners to hone their skills and to help repeat the process of trading, which will build experience and confidence in preparation for trading the live markets using real money. And it is important to point out, if you are a complete beginner, I strongly advise you to avoid trading in a live account until you feel that you are ready to do so. Remember that trading is incredibly risky, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money. It is not uncommon for new traders to blow up their account and to lose everything. I've been there myself. Again, this is the importance of trading in a demo account using fake money until you feel that you are ready to transition to trading with real money. And this is usually when you are making consistent profits and when you have built your confidence, your skills, and your experience. As you progress through your trading journey and you level up trading a live account using real money, you may reach a point where you are ready to level up. You're making consistent profits, but you want to make more money. However, you may lack the capital to do so. So how do you make more money as a trader? This is where a prop firm can come in. A prop firm is basically a company that lets you trade its capital and you both take a share of any profits that are made on the account. For more information and a full breakdown of what exactly a prop firm is, check out this video in the link above. I've been trading with the prop firm, the 5%ers, for over a year now, and I found them to be one of the best in the industry. The 5%ers offer a variety of different programs for their funding. And this basically means that you have to pass a challenge to prove that you are worthy as a trader to be able to trade their company capital. So they offer three options. They offer a hyper-growth program, a high-stakes program, and a bootcamp program. And as you can see, the bootcamp program is the most cheapest option if money is an issue for you. The high stakes is actually a two-step program, so it is a longer process to pass. And then the hyper-growth program is a one-step program. I'm currently enrolled in the high stakes program, and I am trading using a $100,000 account size. Now, they do have different options available, and the amount that you pay for the challenge varies depending on what account size you choose. So their cheapest option is the $5,000 account size, and then their most expensive is the $100,000 account size. And the feature that I find the best about the high stakes challenge and the 5%ers in general is the fact that they give you an unlimited amount of time to pass the challenge, which really does completely change the experience because it removes any time pressure from your trading. It means that you can focus on taking high quality trades and making the best decisions and not having to rush the whole process. For more information about the 5%ers, or if you're ready to have a go at one of their funding options for yourself, do check out the link below in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by smashing the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. Any questions, any comments, leave them below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.